He's been waiting for the mail. What time is it? 2:30. And sometimes the mail comes a little earlier. But today, it's Monday. She's running behind. This is the package Sanders has been waiting for. Waiting for. Hopefully you got the right one.
No, I did.
What is it?
Instruction manual.
Yep, it's the manual for his four-wheeler. Oh, okay. Now he's gonna sit there and study that. And, ooh, bookmark.
Somebody else must have been.
He has to hopefully figure out torque. And hopefully this book tells you. So he's going to be engrossed into this, and nobody will be able to talk to him for the next several hours. And then he's going to want to go and work on it. Even though we have other work we need to get done. Work before play. Here we are. Sanders is back at it. He's going to tell you everything that he did. Today he got his manual in the mail. So, did you read through that?
No.
You read the parts that you needed to read?
Yeah.
And got it fixed? Well, we're about to find out. Cows are noisy because they're getting fed right now, so they tend to get noisy when there's people around ready to feed them. Ethan, what's your thought on this? Because we bought this while you were gone. No, we didn't. Sanders bought this while you were gone. What's your thought on this?
It looks straight. Would've been nice.
This is crooked.
What?
Crooked?
No.
A little bit.
Well, what do you got it for? It was alright.
Huh?
What do you got it for? It was alright.
What do you got to do to it before we can start it?
I wouldn't jump it too far.
Put the gas in.
You're not jumping it. I've already forewarned him.
Well, that's what you do with clots.
That's what he said.
The shocks would have to be different.
Oh, these
They're-
aren't the shocks for jumping.
Fully stiff. They're fully.
They're
at the full stiff mark.
you bounce a lot.
Oh,
Because it makes like you get too heavy, it might actually hit bottom.
you might hit bottom.
Driving Yamaha Warrior that beat shock.
Can you break them?
No, you just
Oh.
Thumbnail.
Oh dear. What are we training our kids? Thumbnails.
I don't know.
My generation never heard of a thumbnail
just the real one.
other than your thumbnail. So since Sanders is working, Ethan thought he better work on his.
Yeah, I need to.
Do I turn it this way or do I turn it the other way?
I think it's that way.
I think it's this way.
Yeah. Goes with the flow.
Yeah, there it goes.
What'd you end up doing with it?
I bought it.
Or doing to it?
I
What?
bought it, got it running, and then I drove it around and noticed it wasn't shifting quite normally. And so I rebuilt the whole engine.
Like, no, tell us, like, what was the process of rebuilding an engine? What's that look like?
I took it out, everything down, took the transmission all apart, put that all back together, all proper.
What was wrong with it then?
Broke a reverse shift shaft gear, the teeth on it.
And there was metal
There's some metal chunks.
floating around in there.
It's-
Ooh.
The reverse shift shaft, if it's not fully engaged, it'll cause it kind of not to be fully, you can't fully pop it into gear. I think I had the same problem.
Oh.
So it wasn't. It's not. It wasn't fully putting it into
Neutral.
Not neutral.
Reverse?
It wasn't fully putting it into drive. Therefore, it was popping out.
I mean, it's neutral for reverse, because there's reverse neutral.
So the whole issue is just that reverse.
There should be. You'll
shaft?
find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. It's shift fine through my testing, that's it.
But now we have to actually
Yeah.
start it and give it a test drive. Do we have any pieces left over, or did you put everything right back where you got it from?
Yeah, I put everything right back together. Just gotta finish the front body, gotta put...
Well, other than the big pieces here,
gotta put
obviously.
this on and this on. This I'm gonna leave off because that doesn't do much.
But there's no pieces left.
I mean, there's this. There's a little mud guard that doesn't protect anything. I don't know where this went.
Uh-oh.
It goes somewhere. Oh, this bolt. It goes somewhere on keep the case, 2 cases together, but I couldn't find an area where.
That's a great bolt.
Kind of need one of those.
Yeah, it's got 30.
What are you doing to yours? What?
Hopefully this
Tightening
doesn't
the
kick
chain.
back and break
Oh,
my
that's a
foot.
good idea. What would kick back?
The Kickstarter would kick back and people have broken their legs.
Oh, we're not gonna do that. You're gonna be careful.
You have to stand on the tire because it's such a high up kickstart. I don't know if it's got spark.
This is how you have to start it every time?
No. It's just very high up.
Is it on start or run?
It's a fresh engine, Mom.
You gotta go to the carburetor.
And
How are you gonna do that?
Cooling water.
Huh?
Cooling water.
I think I got the gas on the wrong way.
Wasn't getting any fuel? I feel like up is.
Yeah, that should be good. I have to adjust the carburetor.
Is it not getting enough gas?
I think you might be misadjusted.
Miss what?
Misadjusted?
Well, it's running on choke, but it's not running on.
But then you're not getting enough, you're getting too much air.
Not enough fuel.
Not enough fuel. Look in your book and it should show you a diagram of the carburetor and that should show you all
I'm wondering if I touch this.
the adjusting needles. Because you should have an idle needle and a high RPM needle. Okay, start and keep running. Don't kill my hand.
case. He's gonna wear a helmet. He's just trying out the gears for right now. He's not gonna be doing anything dangerous. Looks like the dog's gonna have fun with this. Like I said, nothing fun. So you think you had a successful fix?
Yep.
Well, that's good.
Perfect. It's very different.
Now-
Not what I'm used to.
No?
I
No,
also need
people
to
are
fix
gonna
that
wonder.
muffler.
People are gonna tell you to wear a helmet.
Yeah, I know.
You know, okay.
I
Just so everybody else knows that you know.
Now I gotta put the rest of the plastics on.
Yep.
Yeah, go through all gears, reverse. everything
Nice
works.
job. You did a good fix.
I wonder if they're right. Is that-
I'll look. Ooh, it worked. A little more power than he's used to, I think. Well, I would say he was successful at his fix, so, and he's happy. He has been eagerly waiting to get that thing fixed because he's had it for, I think he's had it for about a week now, and he's only drove it that one day. So between waiting for parts and then waiting for the manual to come, yeah, he's been waiting and he's happy. He's gonna be smiling the rest of the day or night. Actually, the sun is about to set. This is just not normal. Oh wow, you guys, we don't roost on the chicken coop. What? Yeah, come down. Have you ever seen such a silly farm? There's one of my turkeys. Here's one. All the ducks, the chickens. We've got Dakota in here because, you know, I give them sunflower seeds and she's jealous. Oh dear. But they all get along, so that's good. I had a cat in here too. So, you'd think this was a funny farm. I just like the turkeys. They're so dumb and yet so neat. You want down, don't ya? Woof. They're pretty white feathers. Yeah, and you guys up there, what are you gonna do? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna call it a day. Pretty sunset. Well, it's starting to set, but it's pretty. It's a pretty sun. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you have an amazing day. We will see you on the next video. Take care.